After replacing your Infiniti Q50 key fob battery, typically a CR2032, the fob may lose synchronization with the car's system. This happens because the battery swap can disrupt the fob's internal memory, causing it to forget its connection to your vehicle's security system. Think of it like a temporary amnesia for your key fob. While not every battery change causes this, it's a common issue that requires a quick reset to restore full functionality. This allows you to remotely lock or unlock your car and use other keyless features. First, ensure you have a new CR2032 battery installed correctly in your key fob. Next, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Then, simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob for 5 to 10 seconds. Watch for confirmation that the Resync worked, such as hazard lights flashing or the horn beeping. Finally, remove the key and test the fob by remotely locking and unlocking the car. Repeat if needed, or consult a dealership for persistent issues.